Hi, I'm Monkster 1970. Today I'm going to be replacing the handlebar on my 1985 Honda Shadow VT700C. I laid the bike over earlier because the front wheel locked up on me on the grass. So things that were damaged was, of course, the handlebar was bent and it broke the right front turn signal, which I have replacement turn signals for that I'm going to put in. And I'm not sure if this horn might have been bent a little bit. Let me see if I can straighten that back out. So let's start with replacing the handlebars. See, you have the wires hooked up underneath there. Now the wires hooked up underneath here to the brake light. And that should do it. Got the replacement handlebars on. These are the handlebars off of a 1986 Honda Shadow VT500C. Thanks for watching.